Platinum's like glow. That's my baby platinum down there. Woo! We got the trailer all hooked up, and it's time to get our goats. That's 100% a call, duck. He's like, where the heck are we going? Literally the goat, the greatest of all time. Boots, coming home, PC Farm 2.0. Oh, Oscar, don't throw your horns into me, please. Whoa, whoa, this one's crazy.
No, you can't eat the hay.
We have 4 miles until empty. Yeah, you heard that right. 4 miles until empty. I'm really hoping we don't run out of gas with all of them in the back. What is going on, bros? Welcome back to another video. Today we're getting my goats from my other farm where I used to live, taking those goats and bringing them to the new farm, PC Farm 2.0, and you are riding shotgun. So stick along, stay tuned, let's go. This is the goat enclosure. It's got the playground that we have created that I need to do a little bit of ladder work right here, but otherwise I did this instead. For now they can get up and walk around. I'm talking from the outside. Let's go in, let's check it out. Unlock this, because there's gonna be goats in here today, literally today. I'm going to pick them up in 1 hour. Come here, Mimi. Come here. Are you one of the goats? Anyway, we have a little like tire section, so I buried the tires halfway in the ground, and yes, it's very sturdy. I mean, I could stand on them. The goats are just gonna boing, boing, boing. They can also jump up here and then get up onto here where I'm standing now. It's very sturdy. They jump on there, then get up there. And this right here is also extremely sturdy, so Boots, I know, is gonna love this. I made it bigger this time. The last one at the other house was a lot smaller. This one's a bigger spot for Boots to just sprawl out and relax in the sun. Let's get down now. So again, I'm gonna have wood like this way to make stairs. I'll probably finish that sometime later this week, as soon as I can get over to Home Depot and get all that done. I also threw another tire randomly over here, just in the middle of nowhere. I left this space open so we could do something cool in here. This is a big enclosure though. It's probably about the same size as the other one they were in. Maybe just a little bit shorter. Up, and Mia is inside the goat house. We did a metal roof on this one just because the wood prices are just, you know, extra like $1,000 to do a wood roof. There's just no point. Metal does the same exact thing. We still use the wood frame, so it has structure. And the inside is big. It's much larger than we needed. The house looks amazing though, as you can see. We did a lot of work on this last video. If you didn't watch the last video, I mean, I'll just kind of do a quick little recap of how we built this, built the frame, then we did the outside, painted that, and then obviously threw the roof on and stuff like that to complete it. But this house came out amazing, and if anyone wants to build something similar to that, I think it runs for about, that one wasn't as bad as the other ones. The other ones are so, the duck one is crazy expensive. This one, I think, because we did the metal roof and stuff, was a little over 1,000, maybe 1,300 bucks. I'm only saying that price for those of you who maybe want to do this type of stuff yourself one day or right now. This right here is all recycled pallets, and then I just went to Home Depot and bought plywood and threw that on top. I actually built this one, which I know Hector usually builds a lot of this stuff out here. I built the playground. So they got their house, some tires, and of course the playground, which we're gonna add to this. I wanna do like more along the back here, more pallets, maybe a slide like the other house, a couple other things, but that is the goat enclosure. It is all locked in, it's ready to go, and it's pretty big. The next enclosure is already in the works. As you can see, we got the gate here. This is where it's gonna be. Mia, come on, get out of there. Unless you wanna hang out in there, you can stay in there if you want. Hey, buds. I have to run over to my neighbor's house now and grab the trailer. The same exact trailer we got all the pigs over to this farm in is the exact trailer that I need to get for the goats. Look at the pond right now. It is so clear, you can see the bottom. Hey, you got the peacock right there, Oscars, red tails all over the place. Platinum's like glow. That's my baby platinum down there. The fish look healthy. Woo! We got the trailer all hooked up, and it's time to get our goats. I'm super excited. It's been a while. Hopefully nothing goes bad here. Ready to get our pet goats over to PC Farm 2.0. Let's go. There's some horse poop. My neighbor's house. I borrowed this trailer from my neighbor. Shout out to my neighbor. Yep, it's where the goats are going. Hello, everyone. Hi, Gary. What's going on, bud? Ow, 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 ow. That's 100% a call duck.
A call duck? Wait,
yeah.
That's the white ones?
The little tiny, the ones in the water over there. That's the smallest egg. Yeah, incubate that.
Yeah.
Incubate that.
Quackers. There you go. And there's, of course, Kevin. Always last to go in the water. I wonder if that is an iguana egg. Because iguana's coming here to eat the duck eggs. And iguana could have plopped an egg out real quick. That was a tiny egg. I'm assuming it's a call duck egg, one of the smaller ducks. But let me know in the comments down below if you think that could be an iguana egg. I have no idea what an iguana egg looks like.
Hey, either way though, it's going in the incubator.
And
so
whatever it hatches, they'll see what happens. So we have the goat enclosure over here, and I just brought the trailer right up here. There's some horse poop in there, but you know, it's fine. This playground's a bit bigger than the one I got at my house. Mine's probably the size of just this first half, but I told you, we're gonna add another half like this. This slide is really cool too. Found that in the trash, but mine, instead of having the pallets on the top like that, it's got the plywood. Hey, little goats. They have, how many goats do you have?
We got 4 Goat-Dashians. 4,
and they call them the Goat-Dashians, like Kardashians. I just got bit by a red ant. That was a horsefly. So you have a total of 4?
We have 4.
So 4, and then I have my 6. So there's 10 goats in here right now? All right, VZ kids, help me out here. We have a lot of goats to grab. Six goats to grab, exactly. There's King. Let's go one by one. Okay, King is the first one in the trailer.
This is not a good idea.
King is coming home. This is crazy. This is surreal because it's been a long time without goats in my house. And goats are one of the most personable animals that I own. Is that a word? King, what's up, buddy? He's like, where the heck are we going? Now we close this. King, watch your tail, bud. My guy. They wanted to keep Boots, but unfortunately all my goats are coming. Look at this. We got Boots here. The goat, literally the goat, the greatest of all time. Boots, coming home, PC Farm 2.0. Go meet your brother. Look at all the goats. All right, little baby, you're next, buddy. Woohoo! You better be able to hold on.
Oh, I'm gonna drop him.
Uh-oh. There we go. So great to see. Oh, he's pooping. Okay, yep. All right, let's go. Oscar and little baby, the 2 with the horns. Oh, Oscar, don't throw your horns into me, please. Those are some weapons. There's your older brother, and there's your younger brother. Emmy and Mama Goat, which are the 2 that are left, are the hardest ones to catch. So we left them for last. It's gonna be a mission trying to get these things. Get him, Ant. Get him, Ant. Corner him.
Oh,
there they go. Oh, Mama Goat is cornered. Mama Goat is cornered. Oh, got her.
Oh my god.
She's heavy. She's actually pretty chill. A lot calmer than I thought she would be. She's burping and farting on me. All right, Emmy is the only one left.
Oh my god.
Emmy's got hay in her mouth. She's running. Whoa, whoa, this one's crazy. Get Emmy, go look at her run. Oh, she's done. She's toasted now. Emmy, you just trapped yourself in my makeshift cage. It's not a makeshift cage. It's actually where they would just come and hang out. Yeah, there we go.
Yeah.
Emmy, girl, it's time to come home. Come on, Emmy, you're the last one to the squad. They just all jump out. They are eating the hay that was in here. It's good hay. You know, goats will find anything to eat. Little baby's the only one that's like kind of wanting to get out. But everyone else is just distracted by the green hay on the ground. Yep, all 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All the goats are in the trailer, ready to come to the new farm. I'm excited. They're gonna have a new home, new things to explore, which goats are like children. When they get new things to explore, anything new, it's like adding things to their enclosure helps them, or else they get like anxiety and stressed out, literally. You have to constantly add new things and switch up the enclosure because they're literally little kids. Oscar, these horns are getting big. Little baby's trying to get out. He's trying to do all he can to get out. Here, watch out. Look at the 4,000 gallon. Refilled up, it looks amazing. Look how crystal clear. I wish when I was here and I had this pond, I never put substrate because the blue just looks so good. Like, look at that blue. You're putting goggles on too? Last time Brenton had goggles on, bringing the pigs home, so they got goggles.
All right, load up, easy kids. You're riding with the goats.
Who's taking my camera to film the whole experience back here?
Right,
look, he's got all the hay and all the goats are chasing him.
Little baby.
Little baby does not want to leave. Little baby, stay.
Oh
all your
God.
family's right here.
Oh my God.
All right, see you guys in, yeah, a little bit. Enjoy the ride.
Hey,
Don't drive crazy.
I'm sitting in poop. Ah! Oh my God! What the heck, dude? I'm scared.
I'm trying to hold the camera as straight as possible.
No, you can't eat the hay. This is from a horse that crapped in here, dude. Hey, somebody left a whip back here for the horses. Sit! Sit, boy! Sit! 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 Hey, garbage truck! Easy kids, our Cuffaros. I don't know which camera's which. For the Cuffaros, make sure you guys go check out our page so you can see the remaining 4 Goat-Dashians. The original OG PC Farm 1.0 is now the VZ Kids Farm.
I'm gonna miss these guys so much. They were like my friends.
What's wrong with you?
We have 4 miles until empty. Yeah, you heard that right. 4 miles until empty. I'm really hoping we don't run out of gas with all of them in the back. And the goats. That would not be good. I should have filled up prior to getting here, past like 3 gas stations. And now we're 10 miles from any gas station with 4 miles until empty.
Said he's running out of gas. So,
No. Wait.
Can we stop at a gas station?
please what? It says please refuel on its gauge.
Oh, yeah. We love that. Love gas prices. All right, well, we're good. We made it to the gas station with no gas. Let's see. Is that poop on his head?
Yes. Guys, can you imagine getting pulled over right now and the cops come up to the back of the door and they open it and there's like 4 kids back here and 6 goats and a grown man? They're gonna be like, yo, what is going on?
Quick stop at the feed store. All the water bowls. This one looks pretty good. You know, it's not too deep, but it's nice. We're gonna go with this, and then we're gonna get, obviously, goat pellets. That's it. Woo!
All right, bye.
Thank you, man. Appreciate it. All right, we got everything. Let's go!
The videos on this thing does not do it justice.
I've had like 3 or 4 different people come over to the house, and when they see the saltwater tank, they're blown away on the size of it. Compared to what it looks like in videos.
I'm about 6 feet tall, so oh my goodness,
it's
this thing
insane,
is
dude.
huge.
It's massive. I don't even know what I'm gonna put in it yet.
One Nemo.
Just one little clownfish right in the middle.
In the center.
But I just wanted to show his reaction to the tank because it's the same way for everyone. The video does not do its justice.
Amazing.
It's huge.
I could literally fit my whole body in there and have room.
I'm actually really excited to see if Boots gets up there. The first goat in will be little baby.
Oh, he's gonna try to horn me.
Bam! First goat. It actually shows you how big that house is when the goat's next to it. He's like, where the heck am I? He ate the leaf from the tree. There's gonna be a lot of those, little baby. When it's windy, leaves like rain in the sky here. That's why my ponds fill up with those dang things. So the goats are gonna have a blast when all the leaves just scatter this lawn. Little baby, your new home, buddy. And we got 5-year brothers and sisters in there to get. Everyone grabs a goat. We got King.
King's in.
There goes King. See ya, buddy. Emmy going in. Boom. Emmy, King, and little baby are in. Oh, and we have Oscar right here. And who else is coming? There's the boy. Boots Emilius. There goes Oscar. Boots. Come on now. Uh-oh, that one's gonna be hard to catch. Mama goat got out. She's been catching all the goats for us.
She's amazing.
Here we go. All right, everyone come on in. I gotta get actually coastal hay to go inside this so they're not laying on dirt, but until I can get that later today, they'll have dirt in there. Anthony is one of the goats.
Wait, there's no nails on the roof, so that's good.
No, there is no nails on the roof. There goes Mama Goat, she's peeing already. This is a big old enclosure. They're like, what the heck is going on? The goats are here, they're home. I didn't know I got 3 more goats. They're just grazing on the grass. Oh gosh, King. The hay begins as feed and then it just turns into bedding. Whatever they don't eat stays in the ground, and then after bales and bales come by, it eventually just has just a coat of hay on the ground as bedding. All right, let's get this big old bale of TNA right into the house. And that being in there will not only encourage them to go inside the house, but it also, like I said before, will become bedding, whatever they don't eat. Hi, Boots. Hi, hi. How's everyone doing? I got food for you. It's a couple days later. Come on, come up. Come on, everyone up. They're up on top. All right, I'm just gonna put some there. All right, I just put some food up here to show you guys that they have been walking around on top of our playground for a while now. It looks like you're going down, huh? And I gotta put some down here too, because little baby doesn't go up there. Little baby and Mama Goat, they like to kind of stay low to the ground, on the ground. Those 3 lunatics go all over this thing. Things are looking good. The goats are happy. They're definitely happy with the different surrounding. Different environments are great for them. Their water's over here, and of course the big old enclosure is right here. I feel like in person, everything is so much more different. I wish I could bring every single one of you watching to this farm. Hit that subscribe button, click the bell so you don't miss out on anything, because there's only more craziness to come. Literally, there's gonna be a building right there, a 1,400 square foot building right there with a bunch of fish. Probably like a big chicken coop right here. Otters hopefully one day over there. The goats are here now. The pigs came a couple weeks ago, and things are going great here at the PC Farm 2.0. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you right back here in that very next video. Subscribe, peace.